Kĩgomano-inĩ gĩa kũrugũria itĩna rĩa kerĩ rĩa kĩgĩna kĩa kũhũra njeki ũkũria wa matũra gĩa KDSP, mũnini wa mũikarĩri gĩtĩ wa Kanjũ ya Mangabana Mũtahi Kahiga augĩte kwĩna nongorerio cia kuonania kaunti itiraruta wĩra na wĩigĩrĩrĩki na njĩra ya kũmũrĩka mũrutĩre wa wĩra wa Mangabana na njĩra ĩkĩrũkĩte.
There is some tendency to think that county governments don't work. There is no other officer in this country who is more oversighted than a governor. A governor is oversighted at the county assembly level, then oversighted at the Senate. So who oversights the rest of these other officers? The president should be essentially being oversighted by parliament, but your guess is as good as mine. They are in bed together.
Mwena-inĩ wake gavana Mũthomi Njuki na mũrunawe mũikarĩri gĩtĩ wa Kanjũ ya Mangabana Abdullahi Ahmed maugĩte kaunti nĩ ikoretwo igĩcerithĩrio kũrekererio gwa kĩgĩna nĩ thirikari nene, ũndũ ũrĩa maugĩte nĩ ũronjia motungata makaunti-inĩ.
All Kenyans are aware, even the donors of World Bank are aware that the SIGA was passed 1 month ago, which is just 1 month to end of financial year. It was signed about 2 or 3 weeks ago. The disbursement schedule as we sit here has not been released to the Treasury by the Senate. By the time those monies hit the accounts, it will just be days to the end of the financial year, not months. Yet that will be counted, or it will be factored as one of the conditions of being able to qualify for some of the funding.
We are yet, as counties, to actually receive the monies that were appropriated under the County Government's Additional Allocation Act. And it's barely how many days to the fiscal year end? Less than. We are now mid-May, end May, and usually the procurement system does not allow you to access or commit new procurement towards the end of May.
Kaunti ciothe 47 ikoretwo ikigairwo makiria ma milioni 30 kuma kuri kĩgĩna gĩkĩ gĩa KDSP irĩ cia kuonererio kuri tabarĩra cia ũkũria matũra-inĩ. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Anĩ Ngigĩ wa Nyamũ.